Ndewo and welcome to another edition of Igbo Ndioma. Today we'll be looking at a fresh topic, nri na ihe ọṅụṅụ, food and drinks. So we'll explore mkpụrụ osisi, which is fruits, akwụkwọ nri, which is vegetables, nri, food, and ihe ọṅụṅụ bụ drinks. So the first item we have on the slide is banana. Banana bụ une. Banana bụ une, banana. Nke ọzọ bụ orange. Orange bụ oroma. Orange bụ oroma. Then ube. Ube bụ pear. Ube bụ pear. And in this case, because we have different species of ube, this is avocado pear. So it's called ube oyibo as the English pear. Then we have garden egg. Garden egg bụ aṅara. Garden egg bụ aṅara. Coconut. Coconut bụ akị bekee. Coconut bụ akị bekee. Corn. Corn bụ ọka. Ọka bụ corn. Okra. Okra bụ ọkwụrụ. Okra bụ ọkwụrụ. Then we have pepper. Pepper bụ ose. Pepper bụ ose. And the next one is yam. Yam bụ ji. Yam bụ ji. Yam bụ ji. Then we have peanut. Peanut bụ ọpapa. Ọpapa peanut. Osikapa. Osikapa bụ rice. Osikapa bụ rice. Then beans. Beans bụ agwa. Beans bụ agwa. Then we have yam. Yam bụ ji. Yam bụ ji. We also have potatoes. Potato bụ nduku. Potato nduku. We also have cocoyam. Cocoyam bụ ede. Cocoyam bụ ede. And we have cassava. Cassava bụ akpụ. Cassava bụ akpụ. Also, we have salt. Salt bụ nnu. Nnu bụ salt. We also have mmanụ. Mmanụ bụ oil. Mmanụ bụ oil. And in this case, you can see from the picture that I included two different kinds of oil. So this is groundnut oil. Yes, groundnut oil bụ mmanụ ọpapa, because ọpapa bụ groundnut. So mmanụ ọpapa bụ groundnut oil. And we also have the palm oil, which is the red oil. So that one is mmanụ nni. So we have two oil. It's either mmanụ ọpapa or mmanụ nni. Also, we have water. Water bụ mmiri. Mmiri bụ water. We also have drinks. So the general name for drinks bụ mmanya. Mmanya bụ drink. So whether it's beer or it's juice, whatever it is, or wine, they are all generally known as mmanya. Mmanya bụ. Next item bụ azụ. Azụ bụ fish. Azụ bụ fish. We also have anụ. Anụ bụ meat. Anụ bụ meat. And we have a very interesting one, so delicious. Nri na ofe. Nri na ofe bụ swallow and soup. So as you can see in the picture, This is ofe, and this is nri or fufu or eba. It depends on what you call it at home. So, and we have different soup, you know, so we have ofe oha, that's oha soup. We have ofe egusi, ofe and nsala, ofe onubu. You know, it's a very long list of ofe, but generally it's called ofe. So, but it depends on the particular one that you want. So this is ofe and this is nri. So that's swallow and soup. And lastly, we have aqua. Aqua bo egg. Aqua bo egg. So these are the items that we're able to highlight in our study today for nri na ihe ọṅụṅụ in Igbo. So I showed you how to form sentences using enwerem, nyem, na gosim. I have added two more words to that, which is toro uto. That means when something is delicious. Yana achorom. Achorom bo I want. So follow me. Let's see examples of how to use the words to form sentences with the items we have already highlighted in this study. So we'll be using enwerem, which means I have, nyem, that is give me, toro uto, which is delicious, gosim, show me, achorom, I want, to form sentences using the items, some of the items we highlighted in the previous slides. Omuma atụ, that's examples. We're using toro ụtọ in this first one. So it says, ofe gị toro ụtọ nke ukwuu. So ofe bụ soup, like we saw in the slides earlier. Ofe gị toro ụtọ nke ukwuu. Your soup is so delicious. So if you look closely, you'll see that there's a color match. And I have done that just to help us identify the word that is being translated and what it means in English. So ofe gị, for example, ofe gị bụ your soup. So ofe bụ soup, your bụ gị. Toro ụtọ bụ delicious, then nke ukwuu is so or is very delicious. Okay, so ofe gị toro ụtọ nke ukwuu. Your soup is so delicious. And the next one, item we'll be looking at will be nduku. Nduku bụ potatoes. So, and the sentence says, enwere m nduku abụọ. I have two potatoes. So if you look at it, you'll see enwere m nduku abụọ. So enwere m bụ I have, nduku bụ potatoes, then abụọ bụ two. Okay? And I want to just highlight something that will help you so that when you see an English word and you want to translate, you won't do like a direct translation. Example is, I have two potatoes. You know, if you were meant to translate it directly the way it is written here, you know, in sequence, in Igbo, it would have been, I have enwere m abụọ potatoes. So, but it's not, it won't make sense that way, to be incorrect that way in Igbo. So it's usually enwere m, that I have, then you put the item nduku abụọ before you put the number, not the number before the item as it's done in English. So another example would be enwere m uwe, that's clothes, atọ. So I have three clothes. So but in English it would have been I have three clothes, but in Igbo the cloth will come after and before the number. So just take note of that. It will help you while you're forming the sentences. And the next item we'll look at will be mmiri. Mmiri bụ water. So achọrọ mmiri oyi. I want cold water. So you can see achọrọ bụ I want. The I there is So achọrọ I want mmiri water. Then oyi bụ cold. So you can see that this is similar to this other sentence. The nduku, that's the potato, came after the number. And here too, the item, which is water, came before the temperature, right, of the water. So the same way, the item came before the number. So take note of that so that you won't be translating it direct. So achọrọ mmiri oyi, it means I want cold water. The next item we'll be looking at here is aqua. Aqua bụ egg. Aqua bụ egg. So gosim ebe aqua ahụ dị. The translation says, show me where the egg is. So gosim bụ show me. Ebe bụ where. Aqua bụ egg. So the egg bụ aqua ahụ. So gosim ebe aqua ahụ dị. The next item we'll be looking at will be oroma. So anyị ga-eji oroma mee ahịrịokwu using nyem. So the sentence there says, biko nyem oroma. So that's please give me an orange. So biko bụ please. Nyem bụ give me. Biko nyem, please give me an orange. That's oroma. Now, I encourage you to form sentences with the items highlighted in this study using our 5 words. The 5 words are enwerem, achọrọ, gosim, nyem, yana, tọrọ ụtọ. Okay? And kindly share your feedback on the comment box. Let's see what you've been up to. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also like and share with your friends and families. Let's learn Igbo language together. Ndewo.